Why can we see only 3 dimensions? String theory proposes that there are more than 3 dimensions. We haven't seen them either because those dimensions are bigger than to see or smaller than to detect. If you look at the wire in the power lines, you will see it as one-dimensional because you are far away, in which visually you are unable to see that this wire is 3-dimensional. But in this case you can easily detect the true dimensions by coming close enough or by using binoculars. Maybe we see our universe in the same way we see the wire from far away, and we are unable to detect the true dimensions of it.